Hey guys, Zach here. Welcome to our Facebook ad training as part of the RankDaddy Pro that you have became a part of, and I congratulate you on that. I'm really excited to be given an opportunity to create this amazing training for you, and I'm pretty sure that with everything else that you're going to be learning in this entire package, you will be more than able to scale up and create a life for yourself and your family that you want to. Having said that, my name is Zach Stavik. I'm the owner of No Biggie Consulting company. We've been in business for a couple of years now. We had a lot of success with creating a Facebook ads for local businesses, and we also work with a couple of uh, e-commerce website type of deals. Alongside with that, we also offer website design, SEO, affiliate marketing, opportunities for our clients and of course for ourselves. So that's just a little bit about me. If also I would like to mention that before all of this I've been in IT for 15 years in various positions as a professional individual contributor, manager, to the level of director. And one day I just finally decided that 9 to 9 p.m., 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. lifestyle is not for me. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's no longer option anymore because you now these days you have to work overtime to make a meets end. So I just decided to take a dive in and create a better life for me and for my family. And I congratulate you on taking that dive too. And I'm 100% sure you will be successful. Okay, let's go over training overview and how the training is going to look like. We're going to have a two parts. The first one is going to be beginner. The beginner part is for anyone who has never had a chance to run Facebook ads. It will be very introductory. So if you know your way around the Power Editor, Business Manager, how to create a pixel, how to go about those things, feel free to jump over this part. However, there are always things to learn. There are always new things with Facebook. Hopefully, by the time we're recording this and preparing it for you, Facebook will not make any major changes that would affect it. However, if they do, we will update our videos and you will be good to go. Second part is the advanced part where we will talk more about how to create effective headlines, how to create effective copy, creative, how to use videos, images, how to go about all of that so you can create a Facebook ad that can be scalable and that you can scale it to the level that it brings you good ROI and makes you and your client happy. The one thing that I would like to mention is that this training will not cover landing pages or funnels, but RankDaddy Pro management team is talking about creating that training, which would be a kind of complete package that I believe you would need to make everything in one big gifted wrapped gift. Yeah, that sounded weird, right? So anyway, beginner training. So what we're going to cover is the introduction to the Facebook ads platform. You will see how the platform looks like, how to navigate, where to go, what to do, and all of that fun stuff around it. Then we're going to talk how to set up ad accounts in the business manager. And the reason why I'm saying ad accounts is because you do not want to have just one ad account. Facebook has policies that we will go into that will, I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sick, that will get you banned or completely basically this that will disable your Facebook account. And if you have multiple accounts under that account, well, guess what? Now you lost access to all of them. Now you have to fight for your account. So we'll talk about how to go around that. Even if your primary account gets disabled, you can still use your backup account to keep your campaigns running. Then we're going to talk about how to set up tools that you will need to run your ads successfully. and then we're going to go into Power Editor and how to use Power Editor in order to create your ads. So this is a really important part that will help you understand why we do things the way we do them, how to organize your ad campaigns, how to go about knowing what to measure, when to measure it, how to scale it up. So everything that we're going to be doing here will relate to a goal of scaling up and creating a good ROI. And then I will mention some other tools that you will be able to use, but we'll not go into detailed training about those. That might help you in a way that you see fit. But again, those will not be covered in this training because this training on its own will be pretty detailed and to introduce some other tools that might might seem a little bit complicated and might seem a little bit overwhelming for you. Anyway, again, welcome. Great to have you here. Great to have you go through this training, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.